Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Google Antigravity on Linux operating system, such as Fedora, Red Hat, SUSE, Oracle, Linux, etc. So here we need to use this. So first here in Google search box, you should write there Google Antigravity, then go on this antigravity.google site. Click this. So here you can see experience left with ID. So here I'm using the Linux. So clicking on this download for Linux. Now here this is for a Mac here. This is for Windows and this here for Linux. Click on this download. Then you can use this command for Debian or Ubuntu. Now if I scroll down, here you can use this command here, rpm package linux for Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE. So first here opening this place terminal. So this here terminal. Now let's increase the size little bit. Now first here we need to add the repository. So going to copy this command and paste it there. Then here press enter. This added. Update the package on the cache. So copying this command and paste it there. Press enter. So this is now updating. So currently here you can see this all process is going on. There is some download process is going on, so that here it should be connected. A cache created. Thereafter install this package. Copy and here paste it there. Sudo dnf install Antigravity. Now here you can see installing Antigravity and this here rpm package, to package, write Y and press enter. So downloading the packages here. Now you need to wait for few minutes times to complete this download as well as install. Now you can see Antigravity, this version that installed successfully. Thereafter here if I go this and let's click on this, here you can see Antigravity that's come there. If I click this, so this won't be open here. Now closing this all, closing, and this also closing. Now if I'm trying to open again, so this is not opening. What we need to do, let's go there, here. Now or you can use this switch to user. So currently I'm using their super user. Now going to use this. Now here going to use their Adam. Give their password. And let's use their escape tour. And here after this here, so apps. Then you can see Antigravity that's come there. Click on this open. And now this here Antigravity is now opening there. So let's click on this next. Here select your theme, click on next, 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 and here you need to sign in with Google and start using the Antigravity. Okay, so this is how we can install this. anti-gravity inside the Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.